law of natural growth and decay. First problem, the number n of bacteria in a culture group at a rate proportional to n. The value of n was initially 100 and increased to 332 in 1 hour. What was the value of n, capital N, after 1.5 hour? Now here the naturally growth and decay means, suppose if you have the petrol means in a bowl, after 1 hour means we can see the some decreased quantity. Like this, here also capital N is nothing but number of bacteria. In this problem they have given initially the initial time, means if time t equal to 0, the number of bacteria is 100. Then in 1 hour after again we have checked, then number of bacteria is 332. Means in the same way, if it is increasing like this, then what was the value of n after 1.5 hour? Means this is the case, actually natural growth and decay. The natural growth is nothing but the mathematical formula for this one, dn by dt is proportional to n. Means the rate of change of bacteria n is proportional to the capital N. The mathematical notation, once again I am writing here, dn by dt is proportional to n. Again dn by dt equals to kn, where k is the proportionality constant. Here increasing order, that's why we have taken here plus k. If it is in decreasing, then you should consider minus k. Then separate the variables, n terms one side and t terms one side. dn by n equals to k into dt. Then integrating on both sides, integral dn by n equals to k into integral dt plus c. This implies log n equals to kt plus c. This is the equation 1. Suppose this is natural growth. If it is natural decay, then the answer is dn by n equals to minus kt plus c. dn by n minus k dt plus c means the answer is log n equal to minus kt plus c. The same way, whatever we have done in law of cooling, Newton's law of cooling, in the first step you calculate c value, after that k value, and according to that problem we will calculate the n value. Suppose if they have given time, then you need to calculate capital N, otherwise you need to calculate time. Now if t equal to 0, the initially number of bacteria n equal to 100, then you substitute this information in equation number 1. From that equation 1, log 100 equal to k into time 0 plus c, therefore c equals to log 100. I got c value, constant value first time. In every problem in natural growth and decay or Newton's law of cooling, first c value, after that k value. Now log 100 equal to k into 0 plus c, therefore c equal to log 100. Now in this problem, the next statement, in 1 hour the number of bacteria are 332, means t equal to 1 hour, then n equal to 332. Then again you substitute this information in equation number 1. From that equation, log n means log 332 equals to k into 1 plus c. Log 332 plus k plus c value already I calculated, log 100, then k equal to log 332 minus log 100. Now observe this one, this is 332 and 100 is there, then you have to send the smaller numbers to bigger number side. That's why I am sending like this, log 332 by 100 means log 332 minus log 100 means log a minus log b. Formula is log a by b, k equals to log of 332 by 100. Now this I calculated k value and c value. First step c value, second step k value. Now third step, according to that problem you have to calculate. Now what was the value of n after 1.5 hour? Means this is the third step in this problem. According to that problem we will calculate the values. Now t equal to 1.5 hour. 1.5 hour means this is 3 by 2 hours. 1.5 hour means 1.5. Now that can be written as 3 by 2 hours. Then n equal to how much? N equal to how much means I have taken mathematical notation, n equal to question mark. Now you substitute this information in the equation number 1. Now log n. Log n in equation 1 means the n is unknown value. That's why I am writing directly log n. K into t value is 3 by 2 plus c value is log 100. Now I am in the next step, I am substituting here k value 3 by 2 into log 332 by 100 plus log 100, log n equal to, then m log a formula, log a to the power of m means log 332 by 100 whole to the power of 3 by 2 into 100 means log a into log b, log a plus log b means log ab. I am writing in that way. Here now you can cancel log n equal to 100 into 332 by 100 whole to the power of 3 by 2 means by using scientific calculator, then n equal to 605. Number of bacteria is nothing but 605 or approximately 604.99, like that we are getting. Now if time is 1.5 hour means the number of bacteria is 605. This is nothing but law of natural growth and decay.